last day on this Thursday the 21st. Hope that you're doing well today. Hope you're ready to learn some more math. We have a lot to do, so let's go ahead and jump right into this. There will be a quiz tomorrow, so I will give you details on that quiz just in a little bit. In a couple minutes here. You have nothing to turn in. There was no homework given to you yesterday. Incomplete, you have none. Today we will be preparing for tomorrow's quiz, going over Wednesday's test, and working on homework. The homework that is due tomorrow is right there. Please copy that down. And notice I've given you some specific instructions for the homework. Number 11, I want you to solve it by the graphing method. Number 12, I want you to solve it by the linear combination method. Now number 13 is really 3 problems. Did you get that, Hope? 3 problems. I want you to solve number 13 3 different times. I want you to solve it by using all 3 methods. Okay, so you should get out the same answer all 3 times, no matter which method you use, but you're going to work out number 13 3 different times, and then work out number 14 by substitution. Okay, so please make note of those specifics for your homework. The help video is called Geometry Track 1, Lesson 3.2, Part 1 Homework. And notice it is a Part 1. We are going to take some more notes out of Lesson 3.2 later on. The homework assignment is about 36 minutes long, the help video. Now, here's what will be on your quiz tomorrow. Okay, I hope let's quickly go through notes from Lesson 12.1. So if you want to turn your notebook to Lesson 12.1, please feel free to do that. I'm going to show you what you need to know. Okay, these will be fill in the blanks right here. So this will be on your quiz as a fill in the blank. This will be, even though it's in another section of your notes, this will be on your quiz again. Fill in the blanks. This will be on your quiz, fill in the blanks. And this will be on your quiz, fill in the blanks. Okay? So understand you're responsible for those. This will be on your quiz, fill in the blanks, skew lines. Okay? This will be on your quiz, fill in the blank, and this will be on your quiz, fill in the blank. Okay? If I'm going too fast, just pause the video and back it up. Alright? And moving on. That should be it. Now, I might give you a box like this, I'm not sure yet, and ask you to identify skew lines, perpendicular lines, parallel lines, etc., etc. Also on your quiz, I will give you either 1 or 2 or 3 linear systems to solve, okay? And I will ask you, you might have to use the linear combination method. You might have to use the substitution method or the graph method, but no, all 3 methods for whatever I ask, okay? Alright, moving on. Let's go over your test from Wednesday, so please get out your test. Great job on your test. I was very proud of you. Let's go over something very quickly first. Go to the very back of your test, and let's look at numbers 19 through 24. Go to the very back of your test, please, and look at numbers 19 through 24. You missed number 22. That is not addition. Hope that is substitution. Okay, now look carefully what I did. If you'll go back up to, let me gather my thoughts here. Give me a second. Okay. If you will go up to, so Hope, if you'll look back, you're at number 22. If you'll look up at number 2, look on the left side where it says statements. I'm going to go really slow here. The left side where it says statements, number 2. In place of angle AOB, if you look at the diagram, I can put 2 plus 3. So if you come down to number 4 on the statements, I took AOB from number 2, and I put in place of that angle 2 plus angle 3. So it's substitution, okay? If you have any questions on anything that I say, don't hesitate to contact me, okay? Now, let's take a look at numbers 11, 12, 13, 16, and 17. Now, number 11 is F, reflexive property of equality. When it's A equals A or B equals B or 5 equals 5, that's the reflexive property. Number 12, you put J. Now, it's not reflexive, it's symmetric. If A is congruent to B and B is congruent to A, that's reflexive, and it's not equality. So that was letter I. Number 12 is letter I, symmetric property of congruence. 13, you put A, which is addition, but I hope that's not correct. You did not add 7 to both sides for number 13. You have x plus 7 equals 11. You subtracted 7 from both sides to get x equals 4, okay? So that's definitely G, which is subtraction property of equality. Same thing with 16. You put multiplication, you put letter H. Now I hope that's not true. Think about it. You have 2x equals 10, and then you went from that to x equals 5. How did you get that? You didn't multiply, you divided both sides by 2. And that's the division property of equality. And then lastly, just like number 11, A equals A is reflexive. Well, you put symmetric for number 17, but it's reflexive. C equals C is congruent to C. So it's the reflexive property of congruence, letter J. If you have any questions, hope any of these things have gone